This is James with berryflow.com. Today I want to take you through a rundown of an application that's been in BlackBerry World for quite some time. This is Web Design Cheat Sheet, developed by Cyberbytes Inc. You can see it's got a 5-star rating, 648 reviews. This is a very good application. It is built for BlackBerry certified, as you see here. Web Design Cheat Sheet is a reference and editing tool for HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. The application is quite feature-rich at this point. It's been in development for years. So you'll see it's got useful information, syntax, example, resources, code editors, and then the application, which is free, you can see I can just easily download it, also has some in-app purchases to unlock different sections. So as you learn and as you grow, you can unlock new areas of the application to extend your usability. You've got tons of reference, JavaScript, CSS3, and as well there's a site feeds with the first 25 sites, well respected, and the ability to filter between design and development so that you can stay focused on learning what you want to learn. Tons of features here, again, search functionality, reader mode, BBM channel connectivity, customizable settings, an editor for HTML5 elements, a bunch of resources to support those elements, and as well pull to refresh, and of course some other options here within the application as well. It is built for BlackBerry. You'll see the permissions are explained down below. Again, the application takes privacy very, very seriously, and of course more information can be found on the Cyberbytes website. Let's go ahead and download the application. You see the developer has taken a lot of time to make sure that the application looks and works great. So we're going to be downloading it here. We'll launch it up and we'll see exactly what the application has for us inside. So it's going to ask for a couple things. I don't have BBM set up on this device, so I'm just going to press OK. See, you have the nice splash screen here. And then the application is going to load an intro for us. Again, enjoy the updates free and paid. Please leave a review. They're going to motivate the developer to continue adding more features and continuing support. So you'll be able to swipe through and you're going to see what's included. Again, some of this has been gone over. I love that there's video tutorials and more built in for each of these individual sections. Really, really nice overall UI. You've got some side options here, which you can also see here on the front end. On the overflow, we've got the editor, BBM, the BBM channel, leave a review, invite to download, and a couple other request and contact information bits. You'll see here very, very clean, centered user interface. So we'll jump into the HTML5 section and you'll see here tons of different options. You'll see HTML4 is also supported within the application, but it will take you through each of these individual tags and tell you exactly what they do, how they work, and how you can implement them in your design efforts. So you'll see we'll jump into A. This is going to be the hyperlink text here. It explains what it is, what a hypertext anchor is, and as well shows you how to target and modify these different tags. So again, a great reference tool as you're coding. You can have your device on the side and really brush up on some of the elements you may be wanting to use. And again, directly from here, you can invoke the editor, and it's going to bring in that text. So then you can then preview and see that's a hyperlink. So again, it lets you test and modify here in real time. Very, very cool that it's all built in to the application. You see, we've got a couple other options here. If we slide over, there is a CSS3 section. Another great section here with CSS options that can help you modify and customize your different web elements. So HTML5 really seems to be building in the content, where CSS is more modifying the content and making sure it looks and functions the way you want. So CSS is a great tool. You can spend hours and hours and hours in this app using it as a reference for your design efforts. You see CSS 1, 2, and 3 are all listed within here with the same ability to invoke this editor and test your different options. So you'll see here you've got example codes, how you would bring in those different items within the HTML5, and as well, again, you can bring in the editor and actually test out some of these right on the device. So a little preview, and it's going to show us a quick animation, and this animation is shown to you directly right here, and it shows you background red, position relative, and how big we want that box to be. So again, very, very cool. Some WebKit stuff here showing us exactly how to develop and then doing it in real time. So the application is really, really cool for those who want to learn. And again, you can share any of these items very quickly. Some devices that support Miracast, again, you could arguably push Miracast to a monitor, hook up a Bluetooth keyboard, and literally use this as a small development platform. So very, very cool that this is all natively built in here with BlackBerry 10. The site feed section at the very bottom is basically an aggregate list of some of the top top references for you in terms of design and as well development. These resources are really going to enhance your creativity and allow you to jump out and learn more, see things you don't know you maybe don't know. So again, you can jump right in. These site feeds are just going to pull the latest bits of information, a little bits of news and headlines so you can keep aware. You can launch the website and of course go visit, reload, and jump to the top. You can request a feed here and as well get inspiration on that BBM channel. Within the settings of the application, you'll see here, you can default it so that the editor is set in a full screen mode. You can also have the previewer set to a full screen mode. Peek is enabled. Hiding action bars as you scroll is default enabled. And as well, you can also turn on reader mode to be on all the time. Pretty cool features here. There is a reader mode for readability when you're reading out on some of those articles and feeds, so that's very cool. Keep everything clean and concise. Send an email, contact information, all that good stuff for the developer. You can invite people to download, join the channel, follow on Twitter, and of course, visit the developer website as well. Got abilities here to enable all and disable all as well. So really, really robust application. If you're interested at all in web design, trying to get your hands dirty with it, this application is a perfect aside toward that end. Check it out. It is available on BlackBerry World, and the beauty of it being available on BlackBerry World is that it is available for free. Definitely check out the application. It is free to download with in-app purchases to extend the usability. This has been James with berryflow.com, and this is Web Design Cheat Sheet from Cyberbytes Inc.